Welcome back to Explorers Enclave, your gateway to the world's most fascinating destinations. We are the compass guiding you to the undiscovered, the unheard, and the unexplored. We take you beyond the ordinary, to the extraordinary, revealing the world in a way you've never seen before. Today, we're taking you on a cultural odyssey to a place where history and modernity intertwine seamlessly, where every corner is a testament of resilience, and every food tells a story. We are headed to the heart of the Philippines, Angeles City. So buckle up, adventurers, as we embark on this exciting journey. Get ready to be captivated, get ready to be amazed as we unveil the magic of Angeles City. Let the adventure begin. Imagine a city where history, culture, and vibrant nightlife converge. Welcome to Angeles City, the heart of the Philippines. Nestled in the province of Pampanga, Angeles City is a captivating blend of Filipino spirit and American influence, shaped by its past as a former American air base. Here, every street corner whispers tales of a rich past, while the present hums with the energy of progress. The city's architecture is a fascinating mix of traditional Filipino and Spanish colonial styles, with a dash of modernity. A walk through its streets is like stepping into a living museum where the past and the present seamlessly blend into a vibrant tapestry of life. But Angeles City is more than just its history. It's a city that pulses with life, from the bustling markets to the lively festivals, from the sizzle of local street food to the rhythm of its vibrant nightlife. This is a city that knows how to celebrate life, where every day is a fiesta and everyone is invited to join the party. And then there's the food. Oh, the food! In Angeles City, every meal is a feast, every dish an adventure. Here, the local Kapampangan cuisine takes center stage, a symphony of flavors that is as diverse as the city itself. From the savory sisig to the sweet halo, Angeles City is a gastronomic delight waiting to be discovered. And let's not forget the people. The warm, friendly locals are the heart and soul of Angeles City, their hospitality as warm as the tropical sun. They are the city's best ambassadors, their smiles as welcoming as the city's open arms. So if you're looking for a place where the past meets the present, where culture and fun collide, where every day is a celebration of life, look no further. Angeles City is the city for you. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the streets of Angeles City, exploring its history, savoring its cuisine, reveling in its nightlife, and discovering its hidden gems. So buckle up, adventurers, as we delve into the magic of Angeles City. Angeles City is a vibrant tapestry of attractions sure to captivate every traveler. A city that's always buzzing, it's a place where the past and present exist in perfect harmony. At the heart of the city lies the Clark Freeport Zone, a hub of business, leisure, and entertainment. It's a melting pot of cultures, teeming with modern facilities amid lush green landscapes. A stroll around this bustling area will reveal a blend of architectural marvels and natural beauty. But the allure of Angeles City extends beyond its modern charms. The city's historical sites serve as gateways to its rich past. The Salakot Arch, a giant hat-shaped structure, symbolizes the resilience and unity of the Filipino people. The Kamikaze East Airfield, a World War II landmark, stands as a testament to the city's role in pivotal historical events. As you navigate through the city, you'll find local markets teeming with life. These markets are not just shopping hubs, but an integral part of the local culture. They echo the rhythm of daily life, the warmth of the people, and the vibrancy of the city. And of course, no visit to Angeles City would be complete without experiencing its culinary delights. The city's street food scene is a gastronomic adventure waiting to unfold. From the succulent sisig, a sizzling pork dish that's a local favorite, to the sweet and creamy halo, every bite is a taste of the city's rich flavors. Speaking of tips for tourists, the best time to visit Angeles City is during the dry season, from November to April, when the weather is most favorable. For transportation, jeepneys, the Philippines' iconic colorful buses, are a fun and affordable way to get around. Taxis and Grab, the local version of Uber, are also readily available. If you're planning a trip to Angeles City, remember that it's more than just a destination. It's a city that thrives on its rich history, vibrant markets, delectable cuisine, and warm, welcoming people. It's a city that invites you to immerse yourself, to explore, and most importantly, to enjoy every moment. From history to cuisine, Angeles City offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. It's a city that tells a story of resilience, unity, and unending charm. So come and weave your own tale in this vibrant city. Experience the allure, taste the flavors, and make unforgettable memories in Angeles City. The soul of Angeles City lies in its rich cultural heritage. This vibrant city is a melting pot of traditions that come alive in its local festivals and gastronomical delights. The annual Hot Air Balloon Festival is one such spectacle that is sure to take your breath away. Held in the Clark-Freeport zone, the festival is a colorful display of hot air balloons of all shapes and sizes filling the sky, a sight that truly encapsulates the city's spirit of celebration. But the festivities don't end here. Throughout the year, Angeles City dances to the beat of various other cultural events, each one a unique testament to the city's vibrant ethos. From the rhythmic beats of the street dances to the lively parades, every event here is a journey into the city's rich cultural tapestry. Speaking of journeys, no cultural exploration is complete without a foray into the local cuisine. And in Angeles City, this means diving into the flavors of traditional Kapampangan cuisine. The Kapampangan culinary tradition is a delight for the senses, with dishes that are as vibrant and diverse as the city itself. Imagine a table laden with delicacies like sisig, a sizzling dish of chopped pig's head and liver, or kere, a rich stew of oxtail and vegetables in a thick peanut sauce. Each dish is a story of the city's heritage, narrated through its unique flavors and aromas. And what better way to understand these culinary tales than by witnessing a local cooking demonstration? Watching the locals prepare these dishes with their skilled hands and age-old techniques is like peeking into the city's soul. From the chopping of fresh ingredients to the sizzle of the pan, every step is a dance of tradition and expertise that culminates in a dish that is as delicious as it is culturally rich. In essence, Angeles City is not just a place to visit, but a place to experience. It is a city that invites you to immerse yourself in its culture, to taste its food, and to join in its celebrations. Angeles City is a cultural treasure trove waiting to be discovered. As the sun sets, Angeles City transforms into a vibrant playground for night owls. The city, known for its daytime allure, takes on a new persona, becoming a hub for entertainment and a haven for those seeking a nocturnal adventure. One might start their evening at the city's bustling bars, where the atmosphere is electric and the drinks flow freely. Each bar has its own unique vibe, ranging from the laid-back ambience of the local pubs to the high-energy atmosphere of the city's nightclubs. Whether you're a fan of craft beers or exotic cocktails, the city's drink scene has something for every palate. As the night deepens, the city's clubs come alive. The pulsating beats of the music, the flashing lights, and the infectious energy of the partygoers create an exhilarating experience. The city's clubs offer a diverse range of music genres, from the latest international hits to local favorites, ensuring that every night is a unique celebration. But Angeles City's nightlife is not just about the bars and clubs. The city is also a hotspot for live performances, ranging from local bands playing traditional Filipino music to international artists lighting up the stage. The city prides itself on its vibrant music scene, offering a platform for both established and emerging talents. Beyond music, the city offers a plethora of entertainment options. From comedy shows to theatrical performances, the city's entertainment scene is as diverse as it is vibrant. There's always something happening in Angeles City, making each night a new adventure. The city's nightlife is not just about entertainment, it's about connection. It's a time when locals and visitors alike come together, share stories, make new friends, and create unforgettable memories. It's a time when the city's cultural diversity is on full display, adding to the richness of the nightlife experience. In Angeles City, the party never stops. The city comes alive at night, offering a diverse array of experiences that cater to every taste and preference. So, whether you're a seasoned partygoer or a first-time visitor, Angeles City promises a night to remember. Beyond the bustling streets, Angeles City hides a myriad of lesser-known attractions. As we delve deeper into the city's heart, we uncover a world that is as enchanting as it is elusive, a world that is Angeles City's best-kept secret. First, we journey to Nayong Filipino Clark, a cultural theme park that offers a miniature Philippines all in one place. Here, visitors can explore the country's rich history, diverse culture, and fascinating geography without needing to travel far. From the traditional Ifugao houses to the Spanish-era Baroque churches, Nayong Filipino Clark is a treasure trove of cultural exploration. Next, we find ourselves at the Museo Ning Angeles, an institution dedicated to preserving and promoting the cultural heritage of Angeles City. Within its walls, we are invited to journey through the city's past, with exhibits showcasing traditional Kapampangan art, clothing, and even culinary heritage. It's a place where history is not just remembered, but lived and experienced. From the annals of history, we move to the heart of nature at Puning Hot Spring. Nestled at the foot of Mount Pinatubo, this oasis provides a much-needed respite to weary travelers. The hot springs, heated by the volcano's geothermal activity, offer a unique and rejuvenating experience. Here, the city's hustle is replaced by the serene murmur of flowing water and the whisper of the mountain breeze. And lastly, we journey to Haduan Falls, a hidden paradise tucked away within the mountains. The trek to the falls is an adventure in itself, taking us through verdant forests and across rushing streams. But the real reward awaits at the end of the trail, where the waterfall cascades into a clear, inviting pool. It's a place that embodies the city's raw, untouched beauty, a place that feels worlds away from the urban sprawl. Each of these hidden gems tells a different story, a story of culture, history, nature, and adventure. They may be off the beaten path, but they hold the essence of what makes Angeles City unique. They are places where the city's spirit comes alive, where its heartbeat echoes in the rustle of leaves, the babble of streams, the silent watch of ancient artifacts. These hidden gems are the city's secret whispers, adding to the allure of Angeles City. They beckon to those who seek to delve deeper, to those who yearn to discover the city beyond its well-trodden paths. And to those who heed the call, they offer an experience that is as rewarding as it is unforgettable. Angeles City is not just a destination, it's an experience. As we journeyed through the heart of the Philippines, this city proved itself to be a vibrant blend of past, present, and future. A place that pulses with life and brims with charm at every turn. We started our exploration basking in the city's rich history, from the resilient walls of Clark Freeport Zone to the lively markets, each telling a unique, captivating story. The city's heritage is not trapped in time, but rather, it's alive in the streets, the food, the people. It's in the bustling markets where the aroma of local delicacies wafts through the air, and it's in the laughter and chatter of locals sharing stories of their day. Angeles City is also a testament to the power of transformation. Once a base for the United States Air Force, it has metamorphosed into a dynamic city that beautifully marries its cultural heritage with modern entertainment. The city bursts into life when the sun sets, with the vibrant nightlife offering an array of experiences. From live music to riveting performances, Angeles City truly knows how to keep the party going. And yet, amidst the lively streets and bustling nightlife, we discovered hidden gems that took us by surprise. The tranquility of Nayong Filipino Clark, the historical allure of Museo Ning Angeles, the rejuvenating Puning Hot Spring, and the breathtaking Haduan Falls, each offered an escape, a moment of serenity in the midst of the city's lively rhythm. In Angeles City, every corner turned is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Every person met a new story waiting to be told. It's a city that leaves an indelible mark on your heart, urging you to return and explore some more. So, are you ready to embark on your own adventure in Angeles City? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until our next journey, happy travels!